Hey there everybody, this is Becca from YouCanBookMe, and today I want to show you how powerful the YouCanBookMe Chrome Extension can be. And seriously, it's a total game changer for anybody who has to schedule meetings on a regular basis, because you can access everything you need, your booking links, your schedule, everything in your Chrome extension. You don't even have to open up YouCanBookMe in another browser tab. It's just there for you at all times. So it's super duper helpful, and it's available for all plans, including our free users, which is awesome. So here's how it works. First, we're gonna go to the Google Chrome store and find the extension. Literally, you can just Google YouCanBookMe Chrome Extension. You can click the link that's in this article or this video, depending on where you're watching it, or you can get it off our website, but it's super Googleable. That's all I did. This is what's gonna come up. I'm gonna click Add to Chrome. Fabulous. Do I want to add to Chrome? Yes, literally why I'm here. Thank you. Cool. Just like that, it's added. Now let's get it set up. If you don't know how to view all of your Chrome extensions, you just need to click the little puzzle piece up here. Now, if I look here, all of my Chrome extensions are here. I want to look at the YouCanBookMe one. We're going to log in and blur my login details because they're none of your business. All right, I'm logged into YouCanBookMe. That was super easy. So from here, you can do a lot of different things. You can view all of your booking pages. So if you have more than one booking page, they'll be here. I've only got my available ones that I've got triggered to online to show, but if I unclick this, all my offline ones will show as well. But my booking pages are all here. I can look at all my current bookings. Now this is a demo account, so there's no bookings. But if I had bookings, they would show up here. That makes sense. You can favorite booking pages if you need. Again, this is a demo one, so I've only got the one booking page there, but there's lots of options. You can favorite your favorites, have them right there for you. But then you also have the suggested time feature, which is super duper handy. So, as well as the booking links. So you can click here and copy your booking links. You can click here and make a one-time booking link if you want somebody to be able to book with you, but only once, and then the link is dead. And then you can click view bookings. You can edit your booking page. You can go to the booking page if you want to look at it. One of my favorite features that you can play with our Chrome extension is the suggested booking times feature. So amongst your booking pages, pick the one that you want somebody to book with, and then you can click this little clock, which is suggest times. What it's going to do is show you your availability based on that booking page. So I can send somebody this booking page link. Absolutely, book with me. That's what it's there for. But if I want to send an email to, say, a prospect, what I could do is say, here's a few different times that are good for me, but if none of those work for you, click my booking link. It's in the footer of my email. So let's say I would prefer them to maybe meet with me on the 26th at 9, or at 11, or at 10, or maybe I want them to meet with me on the 24th at 8, or at 12, or at 2. You can click up to 9 dates on various times that you would like to suggest. You can then hit copy, and it's now available for you to share in an email. But this is super duper powerful because you can just pop it into an email, and then it's just there in your email, well written, ready to go, and you can send it off to your prospect. There's no typing out, do we want to meet at 8 or 9? What about Thursday? What about Wednesday? No, you can just pop in easily suggested booking times, and your booking page already knows when you're available, so you know if the slots are shown here, they're available in your calendar too. It's super duper powerful. So with the YouCanBookMe Chrome extension, essentially you can manage, share, and control your booking pages faster than ever right from in Google Chrome. It's super duper handy. It's gonna save you so much time, and you're not having to open up another tab and keep YouCanBookMe live in the background. It's just always here for you. You can grab it as much as you need, and it's the most helpful thing ever. So try it out today, let us know what you think, and as always, thank you so much for watching.